It's about crypto loans, okay? So this website is called CoinRabbit.io. So let's look at that. CoinRabbit.io. If you have some crypto to use as collateral, you can do a loan. So these are the different currencies, cryptos that you can use. Even SHIB is on here. So what you would do, you'll find SHIB, that's what you're going to use. And you put how many, say if you had 30 million, and I put 30 million, this is how much the loan could be, $466. Then you pick what you want it in, of course, USDT. Okay, you want that. And then you see 30 million for four, you get 466. And then you hit get loan. Okay, once you get the loan, you need to get a USDT payout address, which you can get from Coinbase. So let's roll over to Coinbase. You want to go into trade assets. Let me go back so I can show you. You want to look for Tether USDT. You just want to click on it because you need the wallet on this side. So hit the wallet, and then this will come up to receive. And you want, oh Lord, I gotta sign back in. Hold on. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You want to go to Tether and you want to go to wallet because you need the wallet. You need to receive on the wallet. So hit receive. So the barcode and the address come up, and just copy it because we on the computer. So just copy it. Then you go back to coin and then you put in your address. All right. Then you put in your phone number like they asked. And then you verify. And by doing this, move this over to this puzzle. And it's verified. Okay. And then you hit confirm. Oops. I gotta get the code first. 7759. And then confirm. And then it come up 30 million sheep. This is how you get your collateral. This is the barcode, the QR code for this address. So say I had Sheeb in Coinbase. So I just want to copy this address right here. It's copied. You see that pop up, and I will go to Coinbase. And let's say if I had some Sheeb in Coinbase, which I don't. But if I had some Sheeb in Coinbase, let me pull up Sheeb. Because my Sheeb is locked in my Sheeb swap. But if I had some Sheeb, let's pull Sheeb up. You can buy Sheeb from here if you buy it or whatever. If you need to buy some, then buy some. But if you already have it, you already will have it on here. So you would be in the wallet. And when you're in the wallet, you want it, whatever total Sheeb you have that you're trying to send, and then you put the address here that you're trying to send it to. So this was the address that I copied, and this is where I want to send it to. So I would have to send the exact amount of you can put it in Sheeb if you want to do like say what I say 30 million. 30, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you can do it that way. And then that's the exact amount of Sheeb I want to send over to the other, address. Okay. And so you just send it. but you already got it in your wallet, so it should pop up how much you have. Okay, and that's it. I had some sheep over here, but I moved it to my thing. But yeah, because I used to keep some on here, but I haven't had none on here in a minute because I buried all my sheep. So anyway, there you go, and that's how you do it. And then once you do it, that's your collateral comes over here, and once you get your collateral in, they will put this is your UST address to Coinbase, and they'll put $466 in your account. So this is being collateral. They hold it, and then you pay back the loan. So let's go to how it works. Exactly what I said right here. And you do that. And that's how quick it is. Um, you can see this right here. How much will I pay? The annual rate interest is 14%. The interest is calculated monthly and is included in the repayment amount. So monthly, it adds on 14%. So it depends on how long you said you want to keep the loan. How many, some people get them and just pay them right back. They just wanted it to buy some more tokens with, or, they say, oh, shoot, I got to get some more money, get some more tokens while they low. And some people do it for that, you know. Some people do it because they need cash. But you can do it if you need cash, if you have the token to do it with. Okay. So you can actually do BTC, you can do Doggy Coin. Let's see what else they got in here. Raven, XRP, She Beauty, Link, Syntex, Sushi, Yearn Finance. They got Phantom, Bancor, Ox. So they got a few things in here that you can do. You can use. See, you had one Bitcoin, you can borrow $23,000. And what's the price of Bitcoin right now? 46,000. So you get a little more money. You got some doggy coin. If you had, let's say, 1,000,000, 1,000,000 doggy coin. Someone who dug in the earth in Western Woods and stole the skull, the missing head, which must be restored to the horseman before he will return to hell. That's $83. Don't think it's 83,000. It's $83. If you had 100,000,000, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's $836. See what I'm saying? So it depends on how much collateral you have, but it's no credit check. Start loaning from $100 USTD. Be free and transparent repayment. Your funds are protected and insured. Okay, so there you go. So this is your first lesson on crypto borrowing. Hey, that's why you need to get some crypto. Yes.